In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in the Hosting a Website Builder for 2025. Favicons are those little icons that appear in your browser tab to give your website that finishing touch of professionalism and recognition. Let's jump right into it and get your website looking polished and complete. To begin, you're going to navigate to Hostinga's website. You can simply open up your favorite web browser and type in hostinga.ph in the address bar. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Hostinga control panel. Now focus on your dashboard and look for the section labeled Website. This is where all your websites and projects are listed. Click on Website to see your active site or sites. If you have multiple websites, select the one you'd like to work on today. Next, you'll want to head to the Edit Website option. You should see this option once you've selected the specific website. Clicking on it will take you directly into the Hosting a Website Builder interface. Now you're inside the intuitive Website Builder dashboard. The next step involves navigating further into the settings. Look for a section on the page that says Home or appears as the default landing screen, as this is your primary control hub. In this space you should see a More Settings button. It should be located somewhere near the top or along with the Options menu. Clicking on this will bring out additional settings tailored for advanced customizations. Once you're in this extended settings area, locate the General Settings option. Clicking here will reveal a range of basic configurations you can use to refine your site's functionality and appearance. We're almost at our final step. In the General Settings you'll find an option labeled Favicon. Click it and a window or a section should pop up, allowing you to upload your new favicon image. Usually favicons are 16 by 16 pixels square, graphic files in .ico or PNG format, so make sure your image meets these standards beforehand. Once you've uploaded your chosen favicon, confirm any changes or save your progress. That's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your website using Hosting a Website Builder, and your browser tab should now reflect your brand new icon, helping visitors easily identify and return to your site. Remember, customization is key to making your website truly yours, and small details like favicons can make a big impact in establishing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped make your website just a little bit better today.